Hi guys, welcome back to Decorating Happily Ever After. I'm Jeffrey Kevin. Today I want to share with you my colorful summertime tablescape. For this table I'll be using vintage china that I'm pairing with lots of bright colors and summertime fruit ceramics. So let's look around the table. For this tablescape, I'm going to be using a yellow and white check tablecloth that I purchased on eBay. It sort of reminds me of a kitchen dish towel. It has a frayed fringe edge. And for the main dishes, I'm going to be using these vintage, they're chartreuse green poppy trail. This is part of a large set that I picked up at an antique shop. I'm going to be pairing with it a gold plate. These are not old. I got these at Old Time Pottery in sort of a goldish yellow. And I'm stacking more plates than necessary today just for the fun of the color. I'm also using some red plates. These I picked up at Macy's. I'm using red dinner napkins. And I have another poppy trail bread and butter. And then to top that off, I have a cute little sunflower bowl. I picked these up, I believe, at Dollar General store. For the flatware, I'm going to be using my red handled flatware. This is just some casual flatware that I picked up at Walmart. For the water glass, I have these, I guess they're painted to look like a flower. I got these at Dollar Tree. They're hand painted. If someone's good at that sort of thing, you could take a plain glass and make one of these, but that's not one of my talents. But I got these at Dollar Tree. And I have the matching iced tea glass that goes with the set. And I have the coffee cup and saucer. For the centerpiece, I'm using a floral design that's one of mine. I brought it from my store, Rose Tree Interiors. And here in the top, it has parrot tulips in a bright, vivid orange. There are black-eyed Susans in lime green. I have lime green berries. There are yellow peonies. There are also viburnums. They're in sort of a pale lime. I've got some grasses and also a red little wildflower or weed. And tucked here in the center, I have some fruit, a pear, apple, and a plum. And the container that it's in is a brightly colored, kind of multicolor container. It's got yellow, chartreuse, red, and sort of a teal blue. Of course, you guys know I love teapots, so I've used an orange enamel teapot. I think it's so cute. You see the red and the blue and the white enamel, but you seldom see the orange. I would suppose it's probably from the 1970s. I picked it up, I believe, at an antique shop. And I put some more summer fruits. This is a strawberry little tray that I've nestled down there. And on this side, This is a gravy boat that goes with the set. It kind of makes me think of a genie pot. And I put the pitcher and some extra glasses here on a platter. The pitcher has kind of a bamboo handle. I'll tell you a little tip. Be sure and not shop with your friends. Well, especially friends that have similar taste. I found these in an antique shop window. I had spotted them and went up to the window to investigate, and I had a lady with me, and she wanted to know, could we have them? And of course I wasn't too gung-ho on the idea, and but she talked me into it, and so we half the price and half the dishes. Of course they didn't half all that well, but then fast forward a few years later, she changed her kitchen and no longer needed them and wanted to sell them back to me, so I wound up with a whole set after all. Here I've got the sugar and the creamer that goes with the set. And these are some cute little teapots. I've got a tangerine and a pear. Tucked under here there's a pear teapot. And at the back corner of the table I have this 2-tier tray. It also came with a set, and on it I've put some little miniature teapots. I got these years ago at the Dollar General store, and there's watermelon, pineapple, pumpkin, and strawberries, and just different fruits. And tucked here way at the back, I have a little relish dish that matches the set. I hope I've inspired you to set a summertime tablescape of your own. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, be sure and subscribe to my channel, Decorating Happily Ever After, and turn on the notifications bell so you never miss a video. I'm Jeffrey Kevin, hoping that you decorate happily ever after. Bye-bye now.